Stream is starting in 5 minutes. Stream is starting in 5 minutes. Stream is starting in 5 minutes. Starting in 5 minutes. momentarily. What is this? Whatever it is. Homogeneous, bacterial beings from Earth. Yeah. Hello. Alright, hang on a second here while I get some stuff ready. What was that? No. Hang on a second, let me move this down. Trying to get this crap down here. This is not what I wanted to do. Anyways. I'm going to continue on with my show. Alright, what I was going to do here. I'm going to look at some stuff. I already did one segment on the stars. Maybe somebody saw that. I'm going to go do something else. I'm going to open up. What's this? 100-year anniversary, Milky Way. Check out the Milky Way. The Milky Way. This is the Milky Way. However, don't really imagine those arms looking like that. Because from space, trust me, it doesn't look exactly that uniformal. Not at all. It's got like a bunch of scattered arms. This representation is really cleaned up version. But your universe is pretty freaking, or your Milky Way galaxy is pretty messy looking actually. What? Spinning. Whee. All right. Done. Random main sequence star. Yeah. Don't even notice the random stars. Random rocky planet? Nah. Random exo moon. Let's do something big. Here we go. Random elliptical galaxy. Let's add one of these. Here. Speed it up. Not too fast for the computer. Slow down. Oh yeah. Say goodbye to the Milky Way. Mass destruction. That's cool. Alright, hang on. Let's do something else. Let's do open up cores. The Parker Solar Probe's closest approach to the sun. Zoom in on this thing. Oh yeah. Didn't we already do something with this once? On August 12th of 2018, NASA launched the Parker Solar Probe, a spacecraft designed to study the sun's corona. The probe is named after astrophysicist Eugene Paca, who first coined the term solar wind. Go figure. He coined it. He coined the term. You got some coin? That he coined the term. All right, the Parker Solar Probe. How about if I throw Mercury at your ass? All right. And Mercury. I think they're done with the probe. There we go. Ooh, Mercury. Mercury has 3.3 E plus 23 kg mass. All right, so all you school kids that are learning stuff out there, you know what this 3.3 E plus 23 kg is? You better. The composition here. All right, it's got some iron, solid, some silicate, some water. It says 0 water. We all know that's not true. It's got water. Watch this. Oh, maybe I could find the water. Look, what is that little spot right there? That's some salt stuff. I don't know, somewhere on the core. Maybe I can change the lighting. Let's check out some lighting. And stick a flashlight at it. There we go. See, that looks like some ice right there. You know, it's got its polars. Some type of frozen, maybe, okay, so it's not water, but it's frozen water, right? Which is ice. Whatever. Get out of here. Gonna destroy this thing. Launch. Random exoplanet. Oh, it's going in that orbit? That's in that direction. Okay, watch this. Booyah! Now we created a new planet. Planet. Was it HD 27894b? What the heck? I guess that's how things are like numbered, huh? And on this planet, ooh, oh, it's already starting to cool down. Speed it up. Ooh, did we just create a new Earth type of planet? Let's see if it's got water. Hey, what is that? Water? Let's speed it up. Does it get any greener? Green. Wow, that's a cool looking planet. I wonder. Alright, so what do we need to add to this to turn it into a habitable planet? Let's look at where it's located. It seems a bit close to the sun still. That's why. I wonder if we can move the object. No? Where's the reposition? Launch. You think we could like bank, shoot something from behind at it? Knock it into a further orbit? It's going what? This direction? I want to get it a little bit further out. You guys like pool? Let me try something. I'm gonna launch Earth at it. Right here. Boom. Did I knock it further out? Alright. That's it's getting a bit further out. Speed it up. Let's view some orbital. See, we gotta get out here though. We need to get in that green area. So our little planet now is right here. We gotta knock him real the heck far out. Okay. So let's get from this angle right here across the plane. Launch. Random gas giant. Exoplanet. Something. Now let's just throw Mars at it. Get out of here. Throw it a bunch of times. Maybe I can bounce it out. Get out of here. Is it moving? No, I don't think it's moving. Alright, it's too close to the sun. It's just getting horrible orbit. Just burning up. Probably just getting closer to the star. Alright, screw this. Explosions. Let's look at some demonstrations of explosions. What's this? Earth exploding in close moon. Alright, check it out. Booyah! Why would you do that, Moon? What did the Earth ever do to you? It didn't deserve that treatment. Alright, that was quick simulation. Let's look at another one. Earth exploding in 8 Ceres? Okay. Oh, 8. Oh, whoa, wow. Okay. What the hell was that? Alright, let's look at supernova, the sun, and solar system. Oh, there it goes, swallowing the planets. See what's happening to Jupiter before it goes. Oh, Jupiter's getting royally screwed right now. Supernova. Supernova. Done. Denzel Washington. Alright. Sun and exploding Jupiter. Well, didn't we just see that? My fingers, my face, my mouth is getting numb. Check out something else. Supernova type 1A. Oh, watch this. Booyah. Booyah. Kaboom. Supernovas are really beautiful, you know. Pretty beautiful. Let's check out another simulation. Supernova in galaxy. Collisions. Physics. Planet volatile test. What is this? Bunch of water worlds. Bunch of Earths. Speed it up. Bam, what do you get? You get water, Earth. Wow, there we go. That's like a completely engineered system right there, right? I'm getting like retinal Alright. Slow it down. Oh, you think you got a perfect orbit? Well, how about if we add something to this perfect orbit? We'll slow it down. Let's add Rigel to your ass. You know, how about right here? See if this doesn't throw your ass off. Perfect little worlds. There we go. How about that perfectness? Rigel Nova Remnant. Dang, Rigel took some damage. We know Beetlejuice is bigger. Much bigger. So we'll put right here. And watch Rigel gets swallowed up. Alright, faster. Woo! There we go. Binary star system now. Oh no, it just evaporated. Let's do it. There we go. 2 Beetlejuices in a binary star system. That's something else. Didn't catch Rigel. Arcturus is really, pretty big. Uh-oh. Booyah. Now there's a binary system right there. Rigel coming back. What are we doing? Where's the... Alright, simulation can't run any faster. That's fine. Let's add Scuddy. Where's Scuddy at? Here's Scuddy. Big guy. Put you back here, watch this, and frickin' eat your butt. Scuddy. 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 I'm way back here, ma. I'm over here. Alright. I gotta take 1 second of a break. I can't feel my face. My blood has left my fingers. My fingers. Killer Tin. Hello. This is not, maybe if I, like, hang the camera upside down, and then when I talk upside down, you know, all the blood will rush to my hand, like normal. Let's jump on to something else. Earth at 1,000 Celsius. Why, ooh, pretty color. This is what Earth is gonna look like in the future, right? That's what humans are gonna turn the Earth into. We're gonna fry it. Bum bum bum. Now, if we add my personal favorite, the Blue Rooster 2 planet. Do you want to delete the keep? What? What's it talking about? Delete. No, I want to destroy it then. Okay, fine. You know what? Hey, wait. Then we got some other options here. Simulations. We can. Well, it's already hot. What happens if I just do this? Just hold it down until what happens? Okay. We're heat diffusion rate at you know. Fudge. We're almost at 200,000. All right, well, what does that mean? Speed it up and then what? Yeah, it looks like it just cooled down. What did we just do? Doesn't look hot anymore. Looks kind of chill. Maybe if we look at something else, like planets in the system, planets between the Earth and the Moon and the Sun and the stars and the planets. And the planets? On the planets. Today we're going to talk about the planets. On today's episode. On today's episode. On today's episode. On today's episode, we're going to see Earth. We're going to see the bloody Earth up close and personal. This bloody planet we have right next to this other bloody planet, Mercury. And then Venus, which they say is our ugly, mean, little bastard twin of a planet. Why is it green and look like gas? It's got like, you know, they're talking about life on Venus, right? It's not life. It's freaking bacteria in the freaking air. In the cloud storms above, because it's like 900 degrees on the surface. You freaking people, there's no life there. Not what you consider life. What about a fly? A fly, a bug, right? A fly flies around, little annoying little things, right? They eat and harvest and freaking are born from shit and feces, right? You don't consider them too much of life, right? And bacteria, like the COVID virus, you know? You consider that life? What? Well then, praise all life. Praise all life on the universe, on the Uranus. Because, it's not life, it's bacteria. It causes, it promotes life, is what it really does. Bacteria and organisms, they really promote life. The life comes from that shit, from bacteria. It's not called life, it's just bacteria. Life. Life. Life? What a freaking joke. About my boogers. Are they considered alive? My living boogers. All for you. Anyways, what the hell's this shit? Mars. We're trying to go to this piece of crap. Live on it. Why? Well, because we got to get somewhere off of Earth. Why not Mars? Alright. They're talking about, we should live on Venus? Well, let's think about that shit. We live on Venus, right? How much money do you think it's going to cost to build a floating spaceship, space city, right? Because you can't live on the surface. 900 degrees, 2,000 storms, constantly thrown everywhere. You ain't going to live on the surface of Venus. You may live underground of Venus, right? Well, we ain't even doing that crap on Earth yet, let alone the moon. We've been talking crap about living on the moon for since the 60s. That shit ain't happening either. Not anytime soon. What a joke. It's going to cost actually $500 billion to build a small community on Venus. We don't have $500 billion. Why? Money. Why? Because of money. Money is a joke. Money sucks. I don't like money. I like freedom. People need money to survive. It sucks. Unless you're like the hunter-gatherers. And when the planet goes to crap and gets hit by a meteor or whatever, the only people to survive will be the hunter-gatherer people that are on the planet right now in the jungles. And like the Amazons and crap like that. They will continue on. Now, if you take that into consideration, okay, if our Earth gets destroyed, and the only thing that's left are the hunter-gatherers that are the whatever, indigenous, blah blah blah, tribes around the planet, and if they're only ones that are going to survive, and all the technological advanced people like you people with your cell phones are dead, well then, all right. And then what's left are just the tribes people. All right, now take that into consideration. That's what's going to happen. So that's more than likely what happened a couple times already on this planet. They're talking about the Dryas period or whatever it's called, 12,500 years ago. One happened there, and then 25,000 years ago or something. And so if there were advanced civilizations on the planet at that point, well, I'm sure when they got destroyed and hit by a meteor or a solar flare or sun, mass erection solar coronal blast, the only people that survived that were the tribes people that didn't know shit about cell phones. That's how come we don't have any technologically advanced super advanced stuff going on now. Because those advanced people with their cell phones 12,500 years ago died. Yep. I watched it all happen from my beautiful spaceship, the Dragonfly. Piece of crap. Alright, on with the show. Gonna see what else is around here. Speaking of the stars and the moons and the suns and the exoplanets. Alright, we got on a random whatever. Alright, here's Jupiter. And Saturn, without its rings visible right now. Maybe that's part of it. That's the asteroid belt out there, if you can see that. You can't see my mouse. I'm using my mouse on my screen, but I turned the mouse off, so you can't see it. Only I can see it. Moving on. This is Uranus. Not mine, but yours. This is your anus. It has this crazy looking shape right here. Sure it does. Neptune. Seems to be, that's a beautiful color. Blue. I like blues, if you can't frickin' tell. Blue Rooster 76 likes blue. And here's this little moon satellite of ours that we've been staring at forever. And then done crap with it. I don't know. What do you think? Space Force is supposed to go out there and shit? Are they ever gonna, you know, is the US ever gonna start showing coverage of the dark side of the moon? Huh? Huh? Freaking tease. Cock teases all of you guys, man. You know, we want to see what's on that side of the planet. If there's any aliens out there, come on. Just, what the hey? We're all slaves here? You just created like the Anunnaki and Nephilim and stuff, you know? Those stories are real then? What's up? They talk about the giants back then. Maybe we're what's left of the giants. You ever think about that? Anyways. This is the moon. This is the moon on drugs. Whenever you throw, let's see, 51 peg B. Whoa! It doesn't like that environment. Colors. Dang, see how much bigger that thing is than all of those planets? All of these planets. Boom, just swallowed it all. One bite. Alright, just, what is this? Just, Chariklo and its rings. Chariklo. Chariklo? Chariklo. Chariklo is the largest known centaur, a class of objects orbiting near the outer planets that have characteristics of both asteroids and comets. In June of 2013, it passed in front of a bright star. My lights are like blinding my eyes. Excuses. In front of a bright star and even event known as an occultation. Occultation? 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 The frick is occultation? Is that like a nation of occults? To everyone's surprise, there was clear evidence for not just one, but two rings orbiting what is it? How do you pronounce that? Chericlo? Chericlo. The chair and the chair glow. Okay, chair glow. This is the only non-planet object in our solar system known to have rings. Maybe they're not maybe they're not rock rings. Maybe they're satellites around this little planet. This object is fascinating in its own right, and the discovery of its rings is a great example of the clever methods scientists use to learn more about our universe. Maybe those are satellites around a highly, highly advanced civilization on this small little planet rock type of thing. That's, anything's possible. Looks like, that little thing's lucky for having that. You know, if we got a visual picture, you know, we got some images out there on Google about the Earth being covered with what's, some of the debris satellites around its orbit right now. But if you actually got a good close look at it, it would probably scare the pants off of you. Alright, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, this is Eris saying goodnight. My hand is like getting tired as hell. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm gonna start clicking off of these things. And the 1, and the 2, and the 3, not starting soon, but this one is da-da. Hey look, where are we? Where are we? We're in a whole nother world. Where the heck? How'd I get here?